Hi everybody, in this video we're going to show you Konyaaltı Beach so you can compare it with Lara Beach. Those are the two main beaches in Antalya that if you visit Antalya it's a must to visit them. Enjoy the swimming with us and let us show you. Konyaaltı is one of the two main areas that tourists and expats come to. We are at Konyaaltı Beach. It's a 13 kilometers beach made of pebbles. Free Wi-Fi provided by the municipality. If you are coming from the highway, you can use the stairs or you can use the elevator, which is called asansör in Turkish, or you can reach it by the metro, which drops you 5 minutes walking from the beach, or by the old tram if you are coming from Kalichi, and also you can come by bus from any place in Antalya. Many people, especially the Turkish people, they come to camp on the beach. They bring their tents. Even in this park, the park is nice. You will see many people later on. The park will be full of people having their picnics. Today it's a holiday in Turkey. It's called Zafer. The weather is very nice today. Now it's like about 26 degrees Celsius. Now it's 8 o'clock in the morning. The weather is still nice. Those are cabins that you can use to change, and behind them there is the water. Here where you get the best view if you come to Antalya, if you are in a restaurant. So you must visit up there and we will show it to you later. We're gonna have our breakfast up. Konyaaltı Beach is rated as Blue Flag Beach, which means the water is very clean and it's safe to swim in. Come with me, see how nice is the water, how clear it is. See? It's very calm. Look how nice is this view here. You are in the water and seeing the Toros Mountains and the greenery of the park. Wow, that's really amazing. It's a must if you come to Antalya. Going into the water. See, those are the pebbles. Very colorful, giving a very nice color to the beach. The sun is starting to heat up, but we are at the end of August, so the weather is started to turn to nice weather. It's very nice. It's very calm. Even the Turkish people, they are very calm people. If they are on the beach or in the park, you'll never hear their voice. So that's really relaxing. So you just be aware if you are not a good swimmer, because as you see, the shore is just behind me about 3 meters, and I am almost fully covered with water. If you want to visit Konyaaltı Beach and you want the water to be this much calm and relaxing and no waves, you have to come in the early morning before 11 o'clock. May and September are the best months and the best weather to visit Antalya for us. So now we are enjoying the nice weather under the sun and the water. We almost swam 1.5 hours, and now we're going to have our breakfast on the cliff in Konyaaltı at one of the best views ever, and we're gonna show you this nice view and you're gonna enjoy it with us. See you at the restaurant. As we promised you, we went from Konyaaltı Beach to a restaurant to see Konyaaltı Beach from above. We are going to have our Turkish breakfast, or the Türk kahvaltısı or Türk kahvaltı. So now also we're gonna show you how does it look. This is another restaurant. Last time we showed you a breakfast in a different restaurant. So come on, let us enjoy this. We are seeing the water from up above at Konyaaltı Beach. Check from up above how clear it is and how nice. Now it is 20 past 10 and the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. This is Rixos Hotel here in Konyaaltı. As we are expats living in Turkey, we visited many beaches here, and we have posted for Belek and Lara, and now we are posting Konyaaltı, the one you are seeing. For us, our favorite is Konyaaltı. This is the Turkish breakfast by the sea. We enjoyed the view very much. We enjoyed the breakfast. It's amazing. It's highly recommended if you come to Antalya, especially if you come to Konyaaltı. As I said before, today it's Victory Day, Zafer Day. It's a holiday in Turkey. So they placed the picture of Atatürk, the founder of Turkey, the Republic of Turkey, and the flag of Turkey everywhere in the country, even at the beach, as you can see here. With this beautiful and amazing view, the breakfast cost us for two people 204 Turkish lira.